Good morning. Now I am going to take the class about Bresenham's line drawing algorithm. This algorithm was developed by Jack Bresenham. It uses the integer calculations to find out the points along the line. It is the advantage of this algorithm. For example, we draw the line from 10, 10. Two endpoints are needed to draw a line. The first endpoint is 10, 10. Suppose we draw the line from 10, 10 to 15, 15. First in this algorithm, the first point is plotted. 10, 10 is plotted first. One decision parameter P is used to find out the next nearest point. Which one is 11, 10 or 11, 11. Which one is nearest to 10, 10? The initial P value equal to 2 asterisk dy minus dx. Dy is difference of y value, dx is difference of x value. Suppose P less than 0, x only incremented, y is not incremented, so next point is this point. This is 11, 10. To find out the next point, new P value is used. So P equal to P plus 2 asterisk dy. This procedure is repeated. Suppose P greater than 0. This point is plotted. So x is incremented, y is incremented. So next point is 11, 11. New P value is to find the next point. This one or this one. P equal to P plus 2 asterisk dy minus dx. This decision parameter is used to find all the points along the line in this algorithm. This is the algorithm where the input is 2 endpoint. Next step is the first point is plotted, then the constant values are calculated, delta x, delta y, 2 delta x, 2 delta y, to calculate the decision parameter. Initial decision parameter value P naught equal to 2 into delta y minus delta x. This decision parameter is used to find the next point. If decision parameter value is less than 0, here x only incremented, the new decision parameter value is this one, pk plus 2 into delta y. Otherwise, suppose P greater than 0, x incremented, y also incremented, and the new decision parameter value is this one. The step 4 is repeated again and again to calculate all the points along the line up to step delta x times. Example, the line endpoints are 20, 10 and 30, 18. Now we draw the line for these endpoints where dx equal to 10, difference of x value, dy equal to 8, difference of y value. Initial decision parameter value p equal to formula 2 asterisk dy minus dx. This is the formula, initial decision parameter formula. Suppose p less than 0, this condition x only incremented. New decision parameter p equal to p plus 2 dy. Suppose b greater than 0, where x incremented, then y also incremented. New p value equal to p plus 2 into dy minus dx. Now we find out the points. First step k, the step value, then this is decision parameter value, this one is next point along the line. In the first step, initial value is, we get p value 6, which one is greater than 0. So x is incremented, y also incremented. Next step, it is greater than 0, so we substitute this formula, p equal to p plus 2 into dy minus dx. Now we get p value 2, which one is greater than 0, so x incremented, y also incremented. Next step, p greater than 0, so we substitute this formula, we get minus 2, which one is less than 0, so x only incremented, y is same value. Next step, we substitute the minus 2 here, so we get the value 14, which one is greater than 0, so x incremented, y also incremented. Now we substitute 14 here, we get 10, which one is greater than 0, so x incremented, y also incremented. Next iteration we get 6, so x incremented, y also incremented. The same steps is repeated here. Next iteration 2, p value, so which one is greater than 0, so x incremented, y also incremented. Next iteration minus 2, which one is less than 0, so x only incremented, y same value. Next iteration greater than 0, so x incremented, y incremented. The next iteration also greater than 0, so x incremented, y incremented, we come to the end point of x value. Now we draw the line. First point is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 8, 29, last value 30. Where y value is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The first point is 20, 10. The next point is 21, 11. Next point is 22, 12. Next point is 23, 12. So this is plotted here. The next point is 24, 13. The next point is 25, 14. Next point is 26, 15. Next point is 27, 16. Next point is 28, 16. So plotted here. Next point 29, 17. The last point 30, 18. In this way, the Bressenham algorithm is produced. Now we see the procedure for Bressenham's algorithm. Bressenham's line drawing algorithm, where input XA, YA, first endpoint, XB, YB, second endpoint, integer. Variable here, X, Y, dy, dx, all are integer. Then p, k, x end. These variables are used in this algorithm. Begin. We start from the lowest value of x value. So we check one condition. If XA less than XB, then XA is lowest value. We start from XA, YA. x end value xb. Else suppose xb is lowest value, we start from xb, y value yb, x end equal to xa. This step is used to find out the lowest value. Then dx equal to difference of xa comma xb. dy equal to difference of ya plus yb. Initial p value equal to p equal to 2 asterisk dy minus dx. First plot the first point. So set pixel of x comma y, starting point x comma y comma color intensity value. Then we start the procedure here. While x less than starting point to ending point, we calculate all the points along the line. Begin. X is always incremented. If p less than 0, then x only incremented, so new p value p equal to p plus 2 asterisk dy. Else begin y also incremented, new p value equal to p plus 2 asterisk dy minus dx. This is dy end. If we calculate the next point, then immediately plot that point. Set pixel of x comma y comma 1. This procedure is repeated. And this end for main procedure. This is the procedure for Bresenap's line drawing algorithm. Thank you.